Good day everyone, especially to you ma'am. I am Kemrick Dilida from BSBA FM1B, and this is my video presentation for the final requirement in ethics subject. So the question is, who is my virtue idol and why do I admire him? So for me, the person that I admire for living a virtuous life is Jose Mojica. For those who don't know who is Jose Mojica, he is the former 48th president of the Uruguay country. So why do I admire him? Back then, when I was young, I heard about his story in social media. I find his life story interesting and admirable because his story is something unique, or shall we say different and rare in today's society. His approach and decisions as a president is something that I hope every politician should do to preserve love, to preserve peace, and to preserve unity in the community. So, before becoming the 48th president of the Uruguay country, he went through a lot of life challenges. Back then, he was a member of a organization in his country that does something bad to help other people, such as stealing something and etc., in order to help the people that are in need, because poverty is the obstacle that most people faces in his country. That's why that kind of organization was formed in purpose of helping the others. So fast forward, Jose Mueca was caught and arrested for the crimes that he did and imprisoned for how many years. He tried to escape the prison for multiple times and he succeeded but also got caught until one day his case was pardoned, so he got out of the prison. Then he entered politics and was elected from a lower position. So as the times as the time goes by, people likes him, the way he governed and performed his duties, and also people likes his platforms and visions for the community. That's why as he ran for the position for the president, he won the position as the people majority vote was in favor of him. So as he became the president of the Uruguay, he fulfilled his duties and lived his life in a unique way that you rarely heard or see in present time. He was very kind, helpful, and selfless as a person and as a politician. That's why he was called the world's poorest president, because he donated 90% of his salary as a president in the charities that will benefit the poor people and small entrepreneurs. Also, unlike any other politicians who lives their lives in wealth and luxurious lifestyle, he chose to live in a normal life and a simple life in a small house and small farm. That is why I admire him, because he do not seek power but he prioritized the needs of his people and prepare for a better future for his country. He ruled with principles and values, and the outcome of his hard work and efforts was seen by the world and captures everyone's heart. That is why he was also recognized as the world's most humble president in the world. Thank you.